गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रियम् ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः भक्ता विहीना अपराधलब्धै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्यै कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं 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 भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितां वदामि राधां करुणावराद्रां ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्न कापि श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम
First of all, the business to my Guru Pada Padma, until the Pravistam Vishnupad, Astutara Shata Srimad Bhaktivedanta Srila Brahmana Goswami Maharaj, into until the Pravistam Vishnupad, Astutara Shata Srimad Bhaktivedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, to their lotus feet which remove all the fear, my unlimited Dandavat pranams. And also, my obeisances to Nitya Pravistam Vishnupad, Astutara Shata Srimad Bhaktivedanta, Srila Swami Maharaj,
Manchastha Virajman, Madhyajeshta Guru Bhrata Satirtha,
and so all my god brothers, all the gentlemen, but Pujacharan also Srila Madhav Maharaj, Pujacharan Srila Narasimha Maharaj, and to all the Vaishnavas, Vaishnavis, all the mothers, all the devotees eager for listening Harikatha, the devotees absorbed in Mahaprabhu mood. So everyone please accept my Dandavat pranams again and again. So by the mercy of Guru Nityananda Prabhu, and also by the mercy of Nrsimhadev, we are today in the 4th day of Bhagavatam, starting the 4th day of Bhagavatam today. It's not possible to finish the Katha in 7 days, but still we will try.
भागवत की जो मूल अखान माने कथाओं को जो है हम वर्णन कर सके और विशेष
how can we describe the Harikatha, the main things, and also today we will listen about the birth of Krishna. Srila Maharaj Ji, he will tell about the birth of Krishna. Today he will manifest Krishna here. This is a very special thing today. That's why we ornamented Thakurji so beautifully also.
सभी को धन्यवाद है जिस लोगों ने
So thanks
ऐसे
to
सुंदर मंदिर को
everyone.
सजाया
I give my
और
appreciation to
विशेष
everyone who
करके
helped today
हमारे
in decorating
भाई
the
और बहनों
temple, especially our
सभी
God brothers,
ने
God
सहभागिता
sisters,
की इसके लिए
everybody
हम
who
सभी
helped,
उनके लिए ही
everybody who's helped.
आभारी हैं।
I'm indebted to
आज
all of you.
हम जिस कथा प्रसंग में हम जा रहे हैं
Okay, so we're going to discuss
नवम
the
स्कंद में
katha
हम
about the
प्रवेश कर रहे हैं
ninth canto
क्योंकि
of
सब कथाओं
Bhagavatam.
को वर्णन करना सब स्कंद
Actually,
की सब
it's
कथा
not
वर्णन
possible to
करना
describe all the kathas, the
साध्य नहीं
stories
संभव
in 7 days, that are in
है
all the
और
cantos,
विशेष
not
करके
possible.
आज ऐसे विषय उत्सव है
Especially today, a special
जिसमें उत्सव
festival
में सभी के नचना चाहिए
that everybody
गाना
must
चाहिए
dance, everybody
हाथ
must
उठा करके
sing,
लज्जा शर्म हर मिटा
everybody
के दे
must
करके
give up your
क्या बोलना
shyness
चाहिए
and raise your
जय
hands.
जय श्री
Radhe.
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की
Jai. Just raise your
आज
hands and dance
ईश्वर
today.
प्रदत्त स्वयं
Because
भगवान
today the supreme absolute truth,
की आविर्भाव
Swayam
का
Bhagavan,
जन्म
he's
लीला हम श्रवण
appearing
करेंगे
like his appearance
उसके
day,
प्राक
his
काल में
birthday.
प्राभर प्रारंभ में
So, but before
मैं
that,
केवल दो
I
शब्दों
want
के
just to
द्वारा
speak two words I want to
अम्बरीश
speak
महाराज की कथा
about the
अपने
story
निकट
of
में प्रस्तुत
Ambarish
करता हूं।
Maharaj. I want to tell you.
हैं? आज महाराज के जन्म की क्या बोले कृष्ण
So,
के जन्म कथा के
Maharaj will
पश्चात
speak
ही
about the birth of
साथ ही
Krishna.
साथ अभी सभी लोग कृष्ण की बधाई विशेष करके
So,
नंद
please,
के
everybody, give the
आनंद भयो
congratulations
जय
to,
कन्हैया लाल की हाथी दिलो घोड़ा दिलो आर दिलो
like Sunand and Jashoda,
आदि करेंगे
congratulations. We'll sing all these
हैं?
kirtans.
और
Like how Nanda
जैसे हमारे
Maharaj gave
भगवान
donation of
जैसे हम लोग
elephants,
लाए हैं जैसे
palanquins,
दिए
and
हैं
horses.
भगवान ऐसे हम सब लुटाते रहेंगे
And whatever you brought
कंजूसी नहीं
for
करेंगे
Bhagavan, like for gifts for God, you brought some food,
तो
I
आज
will distribute to
आज की
everyone.
कथा को
Will
छोटी
not be
सी कथा मैं
miser,
आप
not
लोगों के
be a
सुनाता
miser
हूँ
today.
अम्बरीश
So
महाराज की
today I just want to speak a small story
श्री
about
सुखदेव
Ambarish
गोस्वामी
Maharaj.
महाराज
About Ambarish Maharaj.
परीक्षित महाराज के निकट
Shukadeva Goswami
अनेकों
Pada,
बड़े
he
बड़े राजाओं
told to
की कथा भी
Parikshit
सुनाई
Maharaj about many
कोई
kings.
दानवीर
Some kings, they
कोई
were
त्यागवीर
Danbir, means like very charitable.
ऐसे से
Some
बड़े
they
बड़े
were
राजाओं की
like
कथा भी
have so
श्रवण
much
करा
knowledge, some more
उस कथाओं के
renunciation.
श्रवण
They had
कराते
many
कराते
qualities. So telling all the stories
अंत
of the
में कहने
kings,
लगे देखो
about many kings.
परीक्षित
After that, Shukadeva told
ये
to
सारा
Parikshit,
जो पृथ्वी जो देख रहे हो
Parikshit, you see this
ये सारा संसार आप
Sagar
के
Prithvi,
राजा
means
थे
Prithvi with 7
अम्बरीश महाराज
oceans. Prithvi, earth with
उनके
7
पिता का नाम था
oceans.
नाभाग
So
नाभाग
there
के
was,
पुत्र हुए नाभाग और नाभाग के पुत्र हुए
so the son of Nabag
अम्बरीश
was Ambarish.
अम्बरीश की कथा अति सुंदर
The story of Ambarish is so beautiful.
क्योंकि श्रीमद् भागवत में वित्रासुर उपाख्यान और अम्बरीश की
Because
कथा के
the story of
लेकर ही
Dhritarashtra
भागवत
and
प्रमाण करते जा
Ambarish
रहे हैं
Maharaj
इससे हमारे
is so
तत्व
important
संदर्भ
in the
में
Bhagavatam.
शिल
In
जीव
our Tata
गोस्वामी पाद
Sandarbha,
कार्य
Srila
में
Jiva Goswami Pada
भागवत
says
में विशेष करके
that especially in the Bhagavatam,
वित्रासुर
the
उपाख्यान
story of
चित्रकेतु
Dhritarashtra,
महाराज वित्रासुर
Chitraketu
उपाख्यान
Maharaj, and
और अम्बरीश महाराज की
sorry,
कथा
the story of Ambarish
अत्यंत
Maharaj,
विशिष्ट
they are very special in the Bhagavatam.
इसलिए हम आप लोग के लिखा उसका
So
संक्षेप रूप
I
में
want to tell you briefly
अम्बरीश महाराज की कथा में आप लोग के
the
ऊपर
story
प्रस्तुत
of
करता
Ambarish
हूँ
Maharaj. I want to present
जिसमें
it to
स्वयं
you.
महाराज परीक्षित पूछने लगे
So Maharaj
हे
Parikshit,
भगवान
he asked,
मैं परम ज्ञानी
Hey Bhagavan,
राजर्षि
I am
अम्बरीश का चरित्र सुनना चाहता हूँ
please, I want to listen about the super
देखो
Gyani, super
अम्बरीश
knowledgeable
महाराज
and
ऐसे
important
महाज्ञानी और
Ambarish.
ऐसे
You see,
भगवत
Ambarish,
ध्यान के
Ambarish, he was so much devotee of God, and also
जिसके
he was
ब्रह्म
such a
सात
devotee, and
भी
also
उनकी और
so much
कथा
knowledgeable. Not even the curse of a Brahmana could touch him.
आगे अनेकों कथा श्रवण हम लोग भी
Sorry.
किया
So
जो ब्रह्म साप के द्वारा जो कैसे
we've heard like
काल के दास में चले
how many people
किंतु अम्बरीश
like they are
महाराज
cursed by Brahmanas
ऐसे
and many things
महाज्ञानी
happen to them. But you
ऐसे
see,
महान
Ambarish
परम
Maharaj,
भक्त कृष्ण
he was a
भक्त थे
great devotee of Krishna.
जिसके
He was a
मानो
great
स्वयं
knowledgeable person.
भगवान कृष्ण
And even Bhagavan Krishna
सुदर्शन चक्र के द्वारा
sent the Sudarshana
उसके सेवा
Chakra
सर्वदा जो है
to
रक्षा करते थे
protect him
बोलो
always.
सुदर्शन चक्र की
Jai Sudarshana Chakra ki jai.
अम्बरीश महाराज देखो देखो जो
So
भक्त होते हैं
Sudarshan Chakra,
भगवान
sorry,
क्या करते
Ambarish
हैं
Maharaj is a devotee, and
भक्त भक्त की ही सब कुछ
Bhagavan
अपना ही लेते हैं
always takes like
इसलिए अम्बरीश
takes
महाराज
from himself whatever is for the
विश्व होने
devotees.
पर भी
Like so, even
दुर्वासा ऋषि
Ambarish Maharaj actually
पश्चाता ने प्रयास किया था उनके जलाने के लिए
he didn't have any
उसके
fault.
सब कुछ
Durvasa
नष्ट
Rishi
हो
tried to burn him
क्योंकि
and to
जो
attack
भगवान
him,
भक्त
attack him,
भक्त
but
होते
everything went
हैं
useless. What Durvasa did,
निर्भया विचरण
because
में
actually the
विचरण
devotees
नहीं
of God, they always wander here and there
जो
without fear.
जो भगवान के भक्त होते हैं
Those who
और
are devotees of
वैकांतिक
Lord
भक्त होते
and those
हैं
who are one-pointed
वो वास्तविक
devotees,
निर्भया
they are
विचरन्ति
nirbhay. They are always fearless. They are always fearless, walking everywhere, like wandering everywhere without fear. Because the devotee knows who protects me, who is my protector, Bhagavan. This is true. You may believe it or not. You may be theist or atheist or theist. Again and again, I always remember you. I remind you that if God wants to kill you, nobody can protect you. If God wants to protect you, nobody can kill you. So like this, Ambarish Maharaj, he was a great devotee. Ambarish Maharaj, actually he was Sagar Prithvi Raja. He was in the 7 islands and 7 oceans. He was the he was the king of the 7 islands and 7 oceans of the Prithvi, of the earth. You can say how he used to take care of all this great kingdom, you know, with all these 7 islands and everything in the 7 oceans. This is not for your worries, like this is not your business. Ambarish Maharaj, he used to do Bhagavad Bhajan. And he used to like divide all the duties to the persons he trusted. He gave all these duties also to his many people. So without any anxiety and worries, he used to do Bhagavad Bhajan. And he used to live here. He used to live here in Mathura Puri, in this city of Mathura, Ambarish Maharaj. How he used to live here. Until nowadays, the Ambarish Tila, like a hill of Ambarish is there. Where there was the great palace of Ambarish Maharaj. It's called Ambarish Tila nowadays. We still can go there. So, how blessed is Mathura Puri? This Mathura is so blessed. Where Ambarish Maharaj, he used to stay with his wife. He used to live here, Ambarish. Every day, he used to do Bhagavad Puja, worshipping God. He used to give a donation to Brahmanas, to cows, like of cows. Actually, if you listen to the stories of the kings in the past, in the ancient times, how were these kings in the past, isn't it? They used to see the subjects more dear to them than their own sons and daughters, you see? So they used to take care of the subjects of the kingdom with more love and affection than they would have for their own kids. So he was a Bhagavat Parayan, means Ambarish Maharaj was completely absorbed in God, like in the service and bhajan. So Shukadeva Goswami told him, Maharaj Parikshit, listen, once Ambarish Maharaj, he did one vow of following the Dwadashi and Ekadashi for 1 year. For 1 year. What? Which vow he did? Dadasi Pradhan. Ekadashi. Means when Ekadashi is coming in Dwadashi. So we should follow this Ekadashi. Because if Ekadashi is mixed with Dashami, this is called Dashami Bidha Ekadashi. We should not follow this. But if the Ekadashi is coming into the Dwadashi, then yes, we should follow this Ekadashi. Shastra explains. According to the Smarta Brahmanas conception, they don't follow this. They just see. They just check the day or today, which day they see from the Purnima, and they like, okay, Ekadashi is 11 days, so 11 days after the full moon. But they are not making any conception according to the titis, to the nakshatra, to the constellations, if it's Vida or not, like if the Ekadashi is mixed with the Dashami. Those who follow Vidha Ekadashi, you don't get Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, He Krishna, He Jadava, He Saketi, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda.
अपने दो भुजाओं का हाथ को द्वारा स्वयं जो है झाड़ू
So with
लगा
his
देता
own
था।
hands, he used to sweep the
मंदिर
floor.
को क्या करते स्वयं
He used
संलेपन
to
करते थे, है ना? कपड़ा लेकर के
to
भगवान किसने दिया?
clean the
ऐसे
temple
सुंदर
with
विग्रह का सुंदर
sweeping and
विग्रह
also
देखने को
like a
नहीं
wet
मिलते।
cloth.
बोला वृंदावन बिहारी लाल
The
की
Thakurji is so beautiful
जय।
today.
इसलिए तो हमारे रसखान कहते
So
हैं
Raskan used
आग
to say,
लगे उसी आंखों में जिस दिन गोविंद दर्शन
burn
ना पावे,
the eyes in the fire, that those eyes who don't see
जिस
Govinda.
दिन हम गोविंद के दर्शन नहीं हो
That day we don't
तो
see
वो आंख हमारे
Govinda.
क्या आग के द्वारा मानो झुलस जाए।
Our
आग
eyes
लगे
should
उसी
burn.
धन में जो धन भगवान की सेवा में लागे नहीं
The
लगे,
fire should
है?
burn that wealth
लेकिन ये
which is not
कीर्तन
used to the
कितने
service
सुंदर
of
कीर्तन हमारे
Krishna.
ब्रजवासी रसखान की
This
कीर्तन है,
Raskan, he
हम नहीं
wrote
गा
a
रहे हैं।
beautiful
आग
kirtan.
ही
I'm not
लगे उसी
saying,
बांसों
Raskan
में,
said,
अरे वृंदावन के जितने बांस है उस बांस को झाड़ी में आग लग जाए।
all the
क्यों?
bamboos, they should
तू अनपढ़ कभी
they
भोर
should
भये
burn in the
पंक्ति
fire, all the
बजाए,
bamboo, you know,
कभी
because
भोर प्रातः काल
because
में पंक्ति
Krishna
बजाते
is
हो,
playing this
कभी
flute and the
दोपहर
flute
को,
comes
कभी
from the
रात को,
bamboo.
तुम्हारे कोई
And
काम
Krishna is
ज्ञान
playing
नहीं
this
है।
flute like in the
हैं?
morning time, afternoon,
इसीलिए
lunch
रसखान
time,
की
evening
कीर्तन
time,
कहते हैं,
anytime.
इसलिए कहते हैं ब्रज की
So
जो
Raskan
कीर्तन
is
है,
saying this
इसलिए
Vraj
आप लोग
Kirtan.
जानते हैं, हैं? ये कहते हैं, आग ही लगे उसी बांसन में, हैं? बोले आग लग जाए ब्रज के सारे बांस में।
All
अरे
the
इसलिए तो
bamboos
कहा
of
जाता
Vraj,
है,
they should
ना रे बांस
burn.
ना बजे
That's why we say
बांसुरी।
this
अब ये
proverb,
सब प्रोग्राम
where
को
is there's
इसलिए
no
कहा जाता
bamboo, there's no
है,
flute.
ये प्रेम की कथा है।
Actually, this is like
अम्बरीश
Prema
महाराज
Katha.
उसी प्रकार
So Ambarish
हैं?
Maharaj like this.
देखो मुकुंद लिंगालो दर्शन दृश्यो, अपने आंखों की जो है भगवान की दर्शन के लिए
With his
हैं,
eyes,
तरसते लगे। कितने
he was so
सुंदर
eager
विग्रह,
to see to God.
भगवत विग्रह दर्शन होता है, हैं?
And he was always having the darshan
और
of
इसके
Thakurji.
पश्चात तद्भित तत्व संगम और भगवान भक्त के जो है चरण स्पर्श करना चाहिए।
And also we should,
हैं?
with our hands, we
जैसे
should
हमारे
touch the
शास्त्र में
feet
कहते हैं,
of the devotees.
गंगा
Our
में
Shastra
स्नान करने
says
पर पवित्र होता है,
that if you take shower in the Ganges, bath in the
किंतु
Ganges, we become
वैष्णव के
pure.
दर्शन करने से क्या
But
हो जाता है?
just by seeing a Vaishnava, we become
गंगा में जाओ,
purified.
हरिद्वार में जाओ,
So if you go to the
पैसा खर्च
Ganges to
करके,
Haridwar,
हैं?
you spend money
डुबकी
to go
लगाओ।
there, then you just like
जो
dip, like a
हरिद्वार में
dive
जाकर के
in the
गंगा जल में
Ganges, like
जब
for
बल होता है,
bathing,
अरे
bathing.
सिद्ध दर्शन दर्शन
Just by having the darshan of a devotee of God, you get the
उससे सैकड़ों गुना
you
पवित्र
you
हो
get
जाता है।
100 billion times more purification than going to
ना
the
भगवत
Ganges.
भक्तगण,
Okay?
शुद्ध भक्त
Because the
अपने
pure
हृदय में
devotees,
जो है
they have in their hearts,
साध रूप में
directly they have
गोविंद के धारण
Govinda in their hearts. They
इसलिए
keep
कहते
Govinda
हैं,
in their hearts.
दर्शने पवित्र करो यही तो मार्ग है। ये शुद्ध भक्त की दर्शन। इसलिए अम्बरीश महाराज
That's why Ambarish Maharaj,
चरण स्पर्श करते थे, किसको? शुद्ध भक्त
he
को।
used to touch the feet of the
शास्त्र में
pure
लिखा है,
devotees.
भक्तवद
Shastra say,
धुलियार, भक्तवद जल, भक्त भुक्त सहिति, এই তিন সাধনের বল, এই তিন হইতে প্রেমা হয়, সর্বশাস্ত্রে পুকারিয়া কয়। हैं? हमारे चैतन्य चरितामृत में
our
ये
Chaitanya
बंगला प्यार
Charitamrita,
में कार्य है। यदि किसी के कृष्ण भक्ति
in this
कृष्ण प्रेम
verse
प्राप्ति करना
explains,
है,
if you want to get Krishna
ये
Bhakti,
तीन
Krishna
नियम को
Prem,
पालन कर
you have to
लीजिए।
follow 3
कौन-कौन?
rules. What?
भक्त
Which one?
पद धूलि,
Bhakta Pada
शुद्ध
Dhuli.
भक्त मिल जाए, उनके चरण रज
Means
को सिर पर
if you
लगाओ।
find a pure
भक्त
devotee, you
पद
should
धूल
take
के
his
जल,
foot dust
शुद्ध
and put
भक्त
on your
के
head.
चरण जल को
And also you should drink the Charanamrita, means the foot bathing water of a devotee.
और भक्त
And
भुक्त से शुद्ध भक्त के अधामृतम,
you should take the Adaramrita, the remnants of the devotee.
किंतु इसके दो अर्थ भी हम बताते हैं।
So, but the 2 meanings
उनके
here we say,
अनुगमन करना,
to follow him,
हैं? उनके आदेश को पालन
to
करना,
follow his
जैसे
instructions,
धूल हम हमारे
like
पीछे
just
पीछे
like
चलते
the
हैं।
dust,
आप जब
from like
धूल
when
के
we
ऊपर
walk,
चलोगे ना, ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा
you know, in
में
the
आप देखो,
Brajamandala Parikrama,
आप
you can
चलते
see
जा रहे
when
हो,
you
आगे
walk,
जा रहे हो, आपके
you
पीछे
see the
पीछे
dust is
आपके
following
अपने
behind
पैर की
you.
धूल आपके पीछे
The,
पीछे।
the dust from your feet is
ये
like
भक्त
following
पद
behind
धूलि
you.
तात्पर्य
So what is the
केवल
meaning of taking the
ये
foot
नहीं है,
dust?
जो
Not only
जबरदस्ती करके
by force,
साधु को धक्का दे के
like you just pull the
उनके चरण
sadhu,
धूल सिर
you
पर
know,
ले
you,
लेते हैं।
you,
ऐसे
you
नहीं,
push the
धीरे
sadhu
धीरे
and then
करके
you take his foot dust. No,
उनके आदेश उपदेश के पालन करो।
it means you have to follow
भक्त
his
पद धूलि
instructions.
और
And
भक्त
then
चरण धौत जल क्या है,
back
पानी क्या है,
foot bathing
कथामृत
water
क्या
of
है,
the devotee,
उनके
what is it?
अधामृत कथामृतम,
Is to listen his
हैं?
Harikatam Maritam, the
भक्त पद
nectar
धूलि
of his
भक्त
Harikatha.
भक्त भक्त शेष वो
And
क्या है, उनके
Bhakta
हरि
Bhakta
कथा
Shesh, like these
तब
remnants, is the
कथामृतम
Harikatha.
तप्त जीवनम कवि विरीडितम कलमसापहम श्रवण मंगलम श्रीमदाततम भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना। स्वयं राधा जी कहने लगे,
Shrimati Radhika
सर्वश्रेष्ठ
herself
दान
is
क्या
saying,
है?
What is the highest
पुरुषोत्तम
donation
दान है क्या
in
है?
this month of
कोई
Purushottam?
वस्त्र दान कर रहे हैं,
Some people give donation of
कोई
cloth,
अन्नदान करते
some people
हैं
give donation
पुरुषोत्तम
of
दान, कोई जल दान
food,
करते हैं,
some people give donation of
है
water.
ना? अनेक लोग अनेक प्रकार दान
Many
करते
people
हैं,
give different kinds of
किंतु हमारे
donations.
शास्त्र में कहते
But the
हैं
Shastra say
सर्वश्रेष्ठ दान
the
क्या
highest
है?
donation is
भूरिदा जना, वो सर्वश्रेष्ठ दाता
the
वो
highest
कौन है?
donor is someone
जो
who
भगवान की कथा, अमृतमय कथा को जो श्रवण
who
कराते हैं,
tells
जैसे
the
हमारे प्रभु जी
Bhagavad
कितने
Katha.
सुंदर सुंदर भगवान की
Like for example,
लीला
this
कथा को श्रवण करते
Prabhuji,
रहते
he's telling us these
हैं,
beautiful
वो
pastimes
सब्जी
of
का हमें
God.
बता देते
In like in
हैं। एक बार
Kirtan,
गुरुदेव की कथा स्मरण
he's
में आ गया।
singing. So I'm
गुरुदेव
remembering
हरि
some
कथा के
story
बाद अपने
of
कमरा में
Gurudev.
जाकर के बैठे।
Okay, Gurudev after
फिर
Harikatha, he went to
हमारे
his
भक्त
room and
लोग
sat
जो
down.
नाम तो नहीं
And
लेगा,
then one
कहने
devotee,
लगे,
I'll not say his name,
गुरुदेव
he came and said, Gurudev,
आज
today,
कृष्णदास की जो कीर्तन किया बहुत अच्छा
today
लगा,
Krishna did the
बहुत सुंदर।
Krishna Das
बहुत
sang and it
गुरुदेव
was
ने
so
कहा, मैंने
beautiful, so
क्या किया?
nice, the Kirtan. And then Gurudev said, what did
मैंने
I
क्या
do?
किया?
What have I done? What did I do?
सोचते हैं जो सूर
What have
ताल
I
लय
done then?
बजवाए देकर कीर्तन
Because
करो
you
वही
think that
कीर्तन है,
Kirtan is
और
only
जो
like
हरि
with
कथा
the
बोले कीर्तन नहीं,
rhythm, the
ऐसे नहीं।
song, the melody. This is Kirtan.
हैं?
But
गुरुदेव कहने
Harikatha is
लगे,
not Kirtan.
देखो मैं भी तो कीर्तन
Gurudev
किया,
said,
भगवान की
I'm
कथा
also
सुना
Kirtan. I also did
है।
Kirtan. I told the
आपको
Bhagavad
किसी
Katha,
तात्पर्य
like the
क्या है?
start there in the pastimes of God.
ना कोई
So,
श्रवण श्रोता वक्ता दो नहीं है, हैं? आज समझ में नहीं, हम लोग
so
जो नीचे बैठते हैं
we think that
और
those
जो
who are
ऊपर बैठते
sitting
हैं,
down,
जो ऊपर बैठते हैं उसका हम लोग श्रेष्ठ
they are
मानते हैं,
lower than who is
और जो
sitting up,
नीचे
like who is speaking the
बैठते हैं
Harikatha.
उसका हम क्या
Generally
मानते हैं?
think, no, generally
छोटा
think.
मानते हैं।
Those who are sitting
अच्छा
down,
मुझसे
they're
कहो
like
आप
they are inferior, and those who are sitting up, they are higher. Generally think that. Generally. But ai, meu Deus. Sabe?
राधा सुख श्रीमती राधा जी के प्रिया सुख
Shukadeva Goswami is the dear
ये तो
parrot of
सत्य है,
Srimati Radhika. This is
हैं?
true.
राधा जी आलिंगन करते करते अपने प्रिया सुख के जब चुम्बन किया
Srimati Radhika
और वो
embraces
प्रिया
him,
सुख ने
this
किया
dear
कि
parrot,
हैं?
and she
राधा
kisses
जी को
him.
अधर उष्ट के जो है वो भी पान कर
So the
लिया,
Shukadeva,
सुखदेव
the
गोस्वामी
Shuka
पास
took this
जो
nectar
कथा
from the
बोलते हैं ना
lotus
वो
mouth of
अमृत है।
Srimati Radhika. That's why what the
क्यों?
Katha the Shukadeva Goswami says is nectar. Why?
आप बताओ, ये राधा जी के अधरामृत जो पान कर लेते हैं और उससे अधिक क्या है?
What can be higher than taking the lotus nectar, the nectar of the lotus mouth of Srimati Radhika? So we cannot say that who is sitting up here and who is sitting down is higher, is inferior, sorry. So who is higher, a landowner or a gatekeeper? Because Jamindar means someone who is landowner, and Chokidar is like a gatekeeper, like some guard, you know. But also those who sit on the wooden platform, they are called Chokidar. They are called Chokidar. For example, I'm here sitting on a choki. This is a wood platform. So I'm Chokidar. I'm like gatekeeper. It's the same word. And you are sitting on the Jamin. And you are sitting on the Jamin, means you are sitting on the earth. So you are higher, like you're a landowner. It's like two meanings in these words. So actually I do pranam to all the listeners. You're higher than me. So you see, Ambarish Maharaj, he was Girihasta, but he used to use all his limbs in the service of God. So his feet, he used to serve with his feet, doing Tulasi Parikrama and going to Tirthas. So you should do Parikrama of the temple and of the Tulasi. If in this birth you don't do Parikrama, if you don't do Dhamma, if you don't go to Jagannath Puri, Navadvipa, Vrindavan, Mathura, if you don't do Parikrama in this birth, in the next birth, God will not give you feet. Bhagavata is saying it's not me. Later it will be explained. So Krishna will tell you, oh, I gave you feet, but you didn't use it. I gave you beautiful feet, but you went to the cinema, you went to the movies, you went to the market, anywhere. You were wandering here and there, but not went to the temple. You didn't go to the dam, to the temple. So in the next life, I'll make a tree. You'll be born as a tree. You'll be standing in one place. And where? You'll be born where? Where it's very cold, where it's snowing, like in Siberia, in Russia. Where is the temperature? Temperature is minus 40 degrees. I know because I go there, I see how cold is it there. So God is saying, I will make you tree there. You can see there's a Russian girl sitting there. She can tell you how is Siberia. It snows so much that the tree is. Do you think the tree is not feeling cold? She loses all her leaves. The tree, you know. So God gave you, feet, and you're not doing for a parikrama, not going to temple, not doing parikrama in the temple in the Tulasi. So what is the benefit? So this shloka says, what is the duty of the eyes? Only to see Krishna. Don't see bad things. See the deity. So Ambarish Maharaj with his head, he used to do pranam to Bhagavan again and again. All the desires he had in his heart, everything he was using in the service of God. So whatever you have, you can serve to God. Be generous. Be generous. Give. So Ambarish Maharaj was like this. And serving the cows, the brahmanas. He was also Prajavatsal, so much affection to the subjects. So Ambarish Maharaj, so he used to do this vow of Ekadasi and everything. So when he did the Dwadasi, because it was with the Ekadasi, like he had to follow Ekadasi in the Dwadasi day. So in the next day, a saint came to his house, Durvasa Rishi. I want to tell you a small thing. Many people, they follow Ekadashi, but the rules of how to follow exactly and like how to break the vow, the fast, they are not following. So actually, they are not getting the fruit of the fasting, because there's the rule of proper breaking the fast. It's not like just a count after full moon, 11 days, then you do Ekadasi in that 11 days, did Nirjala, and then according to your mind's desire, you just start eating the next day. No. It's written exactly. This vow you did, what time, from which time after sunrise until what time you must break your fast. So you have to give attention to this. Many Panditas, they don't give attention. They just say, oh, do Ekadashi. But they don't themselves, they don't do Ekadashi. But no, you have to do Ekadasi, and at the same time, you have to see the time of Paran. Tell loudly, then I can listen your voice and know that you're listening. Otherwise, you don't get the fruit of Ekadasi if you don't break the fast in the Paran time. So that day, the time of Paran was very short time. That day, no? So that day also, in the same day, this Mahagani, Mahabhagavat, Mahakrodhi, like very great angry, so much higher, like a elevated devotee. Mahabhagavat also very knowledgeable, very powerful. Durvasa Rishi came. Durvasa was not ordinary. Durvasa sometimes used to come to Dwaraka, and like midnight, 1 a.m., he used to say, oh, I'm hungry. Okay, what do you want to eat? Then he said, I want to eat kheer, like sweet rice. Make kheer for me. Then Rukmini Satyabhama made the sweet rice for him. Like 1 a.m., they are queens and cooking the kheer for him. Then the sweet rice came. And after like making a little bit cold, he said, okay, I'll not eat the kheer. I want you to put this kheer in the body of Krishna, on the body, like smear on the body of Krishna. And then he used to also wake up in the middle of the night and then say, Krishna, today I want to sit in a chariot. Arrange a beautiful chariot for me. And then he sat on the chariot. But I don't want to be carried by horses. I want your queens, Rukmini Satyabhama, to carry my chariots, like to pull my chariots. Understand? So why I'm saying these Ambarish Maharaj came. So he's a Mahagani, great knowledgeable. person,
तपस्वी,
Mahatapasi, very powerful,
ब्रह्मज्ञ ऋषि,
Brahmagya
और
Rishi,
महाक्रोधी भी
and
है।
also Mahakrodhi, very
इसीलिए शास्त्र में
angry.
कभी-कभी वैष्णव
So
के
Shastra
क्रोध देखो
say,
ना,
Shastra
देख
says
करके
that when you
उनसे
see the
अवज्ञा
anger
मत
of
करो।
Vaishnavas, you should never dishonor them,
जिसके
even
स्वभाव
seeing
जनित
their anger.
वपुषस्य दोषे
The
न
Shastra say,
प्रत्यय है। इसमें हमारे आचार्य जो पाठ
Shastra
करते हैं
say,
उपनिषद में
in
कहा।
the Upadeshamrita explains.
आइए,
Okay, so
उन्होंने क्या किया?
what did he do?
आ गए, अतिथि सेवा,
He
अतिथि
came,
साक्षात भगवत स्वरूप है,
and the Atiti, the guest, is directly the form of God.
अतिथि सेवा। किंतु देखो, बोले महाराज प्रसाद तो ग्रहण कीजिए।
Maharaj,
अम्बरीश
please take
महाराज
prasad.
बोले,
Ambarish
नहीं,
Maharaj
मैं पहले
said,
अपने
no, no.
प्रातःकृत आदि कर लेता हूँ। ऐसे कह करके उन्होंने वो
First I'll do
जमुना
my
में चले
duties.
गए
Then he went to the
और बैठ
Jamuna
गए
and sat down.
और ध्यान में बैठे रहे।
And he sat down in meditation.
दुर्वासा ऋषि के महिमा कौन वर्णन
Who
कर
can
सकते हैं?
describe the glories of Durvasa Rishi?
ये कोई साधारण ऋषि नहीं है,
He's not an
ये
ordinary
तेरे ऋषि नहीं
Rishi.
है,
He's not any
महाज्ञानी,
Rishi. He's a
महातपस्वी
Mahagani,
और
Mahatapasi, and
महाक्रोधी भी है,
Mahakrodhi. Great,
कोई
angry
साधारण नहीं।
Rishi, great
ध्यान
knowledgeable
जगह
person,
बैठे और
great,
इधर समय
so
उत्पाद
much
कितने
powerful,
कार्य तो इसी
so
समय
powerful.
था।
So he sat in
अम्बरीश
meditation,
महाराज
and
सारे विद्वानों के पंडितों
there
को
was just a
बुलाया,
small
मुझे क्या
time to
करना
break
चाहिए?
the fasting. So Ambarish
हैं?
Maharaj called all the
महा
pandits
अतिथि
to
आए हैं,
decide what to
अतिथि
do.
सत्कार करना
Because you know,
बड़ा है कि
what is
मैंने
best,
जो
to serve the guests or to break properly my vow
उसके तोड़ना उचित है। सारे ऋषि
Dwadasi,
लोग
of
उत्तर दे
Ekadasi.
नहीं
No?
पाया,
And the
उन्हें
rishis
काफी
could not even give the proper answer.
स्वयं अम्बरीश महाराज तब
Then
अपने जो शास्त्र में
Ambarish Maharaj himself, he quoted the shloka and he said,
निर्जला रखते हैं, माने
the Shastra said if
उस
someone
दिन
did
कोई पानी नहीं पिया,
nirjala, means did not
तो
drink,
विष्णु
someone
के
who
चरणामृत
fasted without
लेकर
even
के
a sip
वो
of water, he can break his fast only with
व्रत जो है,
Charanamrit.
भंग कर सकते हैं, जिसके पारण हम कर सकते हैं, इसमें दोष नहीं लगते हैं। उसी
And there will
प्रकार
be no
अम्बरीश
problem.
महाराज ने
So
क्या
Ambarish
कि
Maharaj, what did he do?
विष्णु चरणोदक, माने भगवान विष्णु के चरण पूजा करके उनके चरणोदक जो है,
So he took this Charanamrita. I mean, just one drop
दुर्वासा ऋषि
of this food bathing water of God's. But Durvasa also nothing less. And then
मुझे अतिथि सेवा नहीं करके
and he said,
पहले
oh,
ही वो व्रत भंग कर लिया।
you did not serve me, a
दम
guest,
समाते
and
हुए
ate
बात
yourself
उसमें
up, like took
क्रोध,
something. And he was so angry.
क्रोध करते हुए,
So
जिसके
angry, Durvasa.
भागवत में वर्णन है,
And the
जब
Bhagavatam
वो क्रोध से
explains
जब चलने लगे,
that when
सारा पृथ्वी मानो ऐसे
even the earth was
सब
trembling from his from his fearing his
और
anger.
आकर के
And then he came
अम्बरीश महाराज के नाजनी कैसे कैसे शब्द बोलने लगे।
and he spoke many words with Ambarish
राजा
Maharaj.
दम्भ हो गया तुम्हारा,
Ah, you are so
हाँ,
proud
मत
because
तो
you're
हो
king,
गया।
na? You're proud to be king, huh?
मुझे लिखा ये सत्य है,
What is written in the Shastra
मैं
is
आज
right.
देख रहा हूँ। जो सुंदर रूप होता है, जिसके विद्वान ज्ञानी होता है,
Yeah, I know that those who are born in high family, they are so much pride. Like they have so much pride, they are proud. Those who are very beautiful, handsome, those who are very knowledgeable, those who are very rich. So you are so proud and you don't know how to serve the sadhus. And you ate before serving me. So Durvasa was so angry, so angry. But when you become angry, all your austerities are destroyed. You have to be careful with that. In the Ramayana also, we see. Actually, Lakshman, when he made Parashuram become angry, Lakshman destroyed his austerities. So he became so angry. Durvasa said, Ambarish, I will teach you a lesson. But then Ambarish was just folding his hand and he didn't say a thing. He didn't say anything. Why? Because he was completely surrendered to God. So he didn't say even a word. And the anger of Durvasa Rishi was growing and growing and growing. And then he took one like dreadlock from his hair and manifested a big fire demon. And this Kritya, this fire demon was like, ha, 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 like to burn. And then this fire demon came in the direction of Ambarish Maharaj to burn him. Ambarish Maharaj, he didn't say anything because he was surrendered to God. Then at the same time, the Sudarshan Chakra, Vishnu Chakra came, and
हैं सुदर्शन चक्र। सुदर्शन
Sudarshan Chakra, first thing,
जिसको
destroy
दर्शन
this
से
Krita,
पवित्र
this
होता
fire
हुआ
demon.
है। कुदर्शन नहीं, सुदर्शन। वो
Sudarshan,
सुदर्शन
not
चक्र
Kudarshan, means Sudarshana
चिपका के जय मार
will give
और
this,
फिर वो सुदर्शन चक्र क्या की दुर्वासा के तरफ
is auspicious, like Su means good
और दुर्वासा
Darshan, not
भयभीत होने लगे।
bad
वो
Darshan.
सुदर्शन चक्र
So,
के इतने तेज
the Sudarshana finished this demon of
ताप
fire,
में
fire
दुर्वासा के
demon,
लिए
and then
शांत
came
करना
in the
संभव
direction
नहीं
of
था। दुर्वासा भागने लगे
Durvasa Rishi. Durvasa
हैं,
Rishi was running away from
और
Sudarshan
भागते भागते
Chakra.
ब्रह्मा जी के पास
And
गए
then he went to
कि
Brahma Ji.
हमें रक्षा करें।
Please protect
ब्रह्मा
me.
जी बोले मैं
Brahma Ji
मैं
said,
रक्षा नहीं कर
I
सकता
cannot
हूँ।
protect you.
जो अम्बरीश महान भक्त शुद्ध भक्त जो है वो शुद्ध भक्त के
Ambarish is a
चरण
pure
में तुमने
devotee. You did offense to his lotus
अपराध
feet.
किया, मैं तुमको कैसे रक्षा कर सकता
How
हूँ?
can I protect you?
जाओ शिव जी के पास, कैलाश
Go
में
to
गए।
Shiv. So he went to
कैलाश
Kailash,
में गए, शिव जी बोले
and
बेटा मैं तुमको भी स्थान दे नहीं सकता हूँ। ये
then
सुदर्शन चक्र
Shiva said, I can also not give
मैं
you
रक्षा नहीं
shelter,
कर
cannot
सकता। एक
protect
काम
you
करो,
from Sudarshan Chakra. Do one
विष्णु के
thing.
पास जाओ।
Go to Vishnu.
उस समय दुर्वासा ऋषि विष्णु के पास गए और स्तव स्तुति आदि करने लगे।
And then
हैं?
Durvasa went to
उस समय
Vishnu and did prayers. And
स्वयं भगवान कहने लगे
Swayam Bhagavan
हे
said,
दुर्वासा
Hey Durvasa,
आप बताओ
tell me,
दीजो है साधु भी ग्रस्त है सद हृदयंतो भक्त भक्त जन प्रिय। हे दुर्वासा ऋषि
Hey Durvasa Rishi,
मेरे सुदर्शन चक्र से तुम बच नहीं सकते हो, क्यों? मैं भक्त अपराध हूं।
I cannot take back also my Sudarshan Chakra
अम्बरीश
because
महाराज जैसे परम भक्त
I am
के चरण अपराध
like
किया,
dependent
मैं
on my
तुम्हें कैसे रक्षा
devotees.
करूं?
Vishnu
हम
said,
भक्त अपराधी नो,
I depend on my
मेरे कोई
devotees.
स्वतंत्रता नहीं है। हैं? मैं भक्त की प्रेम के द्वारा अपने आप में बंध गया।
I am bound by the love of my devotees.
हैं?
Do one thing, Vishnu
और
told to
विशेष
Ambarish,
करके देखो
to
और एक शब्द बता
Durvasa. He also said,
साधुनां हृदयंतम है, मैं साधु के हृदय में बस हूं।
I'm
और
always
साधु
in the
मेरे
hearts
हृदय में
of the
रहता है।
devotees, and the devotees,
हैं?
the sadhus are in my heart.
भगवान के हृदय में संत महात्मा विराजमान
So
होते हैं और
The sadhus
संत
stay in the hearts
महात्मा
of
हृदय में
Bhagavan,
भगवान रहते हैं।
and Bhagavan stays in the hearts of the
हैं?
saints.
और ऐसे संत महात्मा अम्बरीश महाराज
So this kind of great saint, Ambarish Maharaj,
मकसद जो गृहस्थ है
he was
और
a
मैं त्यागी
grihastha.
हूँ, ब्राह्मण हूँ,
So Durvasa might be thinking, oh, he's a
तपस्वी हूँ,
grihastha, I am a
ये
renounced
अहंकार
person,
को
I do
यही वजह
austerities.
से ही बड़ा
Actually, this is
अभक्ति
pride.
इंसार
This is
कृष्ण
pride.
भजन एरे नहीं जाति कुलादि विचार। हमारे शास्त्र में कहते जो भजन
Our
करता
Shastra
है,
says,
वो
those
श्रेष्ठ
who do
है,
bhajan, they are
वो
higher.
ब्राह्मण हो अथवा शूद्र हो,
May,
वो
they,
गृहस्थ
they
हो
may be
अथवा
grihastha or
सन्यासी।
sannyasis, they may be
सन्यासी को
shudra
क्या
or
हो गया?
brahmana. Okay, so he's sannyasi. What then? What then? He's a sannyasi,
सन्यासी
and
लेने से क्या बड़ा हो जाता
do you
है?
think just by taking sannyasi you're
शास्त्र में
higher?
बद्ध है अहंकार पासे, शास्त्र में लिखा
Actually, Shastra say that
है क्या सबसे बड़े है? अरे पहले तो यही तुम्हारे अहंकार है।
this is your
बड़ा
ego.
अधिकार ये सन्यासी प्रथम ही बद्ध है अहंकार पासे।
So this ego is like a rope.
मैं
The-
सन्यासी हो गया।
So you
ये
have this is I'm a sannyasi, he's a grihastha, so you have this pride. You have to give up all of this.
भजन नहीं
If
किया
the sannyasi didn't do bhajan,
वो कैसे बढ़ा?
how can he be higher? But if the grihastha does bhajan, he's just like a
महाप्रभु के देखो देखते हम चैतन्य महाप्रभु के जितने भी
he's just like a sannyasi guru.
अधिकांश सब गृहस्थ थे।
You see the devotees of Mahaprabhu, they are all grihasthas. Advaitacharya Srivas Thakur.
श्रीवास ठाकुर गृहस्थ थे कि नहीं?
Srivas Thakur was a grihastha
हैं?
or
आप
not?
लोग जो चैतन्य चरितामृत अध्ययन करते हैं,
You who read the Chaitanya Charitamrita, you know.
श्रीवास ठाकुर के साथ तुलना
Can anyone compare to Srivas Thakur?
सन्यासी और गृहस्थ बाण परिस्थिति एक केवल आश्रम भजन के अनुकूल के लिए तुम ग्रहण किया।
You can accept the ashrams like us, brahmachari, vanaprasanyasa, if what is favorable for your bhajan. It's not that, oh, you're sannyasi, you're the best of everyone. This is like ego, this is a pride. Those who have this ego, they fall down.
ये बात सत्य है।
This is true.
इसलिए कहते हैं
So
सबको सम्मान दो।
you have to respect and give honor to everyone.
सबके सम्मान दो।
Give honor and respect to everyone.
यथायथ सम्मान इसी प्रकार। इसलिए स्वयं भगवान कहने लगे,
So Bhagavan said, Vishnu said,
हे दुर्वासा ऋषि
Hey
सुनो।
Durvasa, listen.
हैं? इस लोग के कहते हैं साधव हृदयंतं मध्यम साधुनां हृदयंतं हैं? मदन्ते ते न जानन्ति नाहं तेभ्य मनागपि। सुनो कान खोल करके।
Open your ears and
दुर्वासा
listen,
ऋषि,
and listen.
देखो एक बात बताता हूँ,
Durvasa, I'll tell
यदि
you one thing.
आपके पैर में यदि कांटा गड़ जाए,
If a thorn entered your
कांटा
feet,
कहाँ से
your
निकालना
foot,
पड़ेगा?
you have to take this, remove
कंधे
this
से, कान
thorn
से,
from your shoulder.
इधर से निकालना पड़ेगा,
From your shoulder?
नहीं,
No.
जो पैर में,
From your own feet.
पैर में कांटा तुम्हारे कांटे
So,
तुम्हारे लग गया,
from your foot, if you have a
और वहीं से
thorn
सीधे
in your
और
foot,
दूसरी
you have to
कांटे
take
से
some other
ऐसे
thorn
निकाल,
or maybe some
तात्पर्य क्या है?
needle and remove this thorn
तुम
from your
जिसके
foot.
चरण में अपराध
So you
किया,
committed offense to Lotus feet of
अम्बरीश
Ambarish.
महाराज के चरण
So
में
you have to
अपराध
go
किया,
to him
तुमने
and
उनके साधारण एक साधन,
because you are thinking
बस
he
साधन
was
क्या बोले, एक साधारण गृहस्थ समझ
a
करके,
grihastha, normal
हैं?
grihastha,
साधारण
isn't
लोग
it?
एक यार होता है, ये गृहस्थ बेकार
So
है,
the sadhu
हम
sometimes think,
पहली
oh, the
सन्यासी
grihasthas,
हैं,
they are
हम
useless.
हम
We are
ब्रह्मचारी है,
renounced. I'm
हम
brahmachari, I'm
श्रेष्ठ है,
everything, I'm
सर्वश्रेष्ठ
higher,
आसन
I'm the
में मैं
best,
बैठता हूँ,
I'm in the
हैं?
best
सभी
ashram.
लोग यहाँ करके हमारे प्रणाम
Everybody
करें,
comes to me and do
बोले
pranam
ऐसे
to
नहीं,
me. Oh, no, but no, no,
इसे
no.
कहते हैं राय रमानंद आदि
That's why Rai Ramananda and
महाभागवत
like they were
किसी ब्रह्मांड है,
Mahabhagavats.
हैं? मैं क्या बताऊं,
What can I
इसलिए
tell
कहते
you?
जा रहे हैं,
So,
ये
sorry.
स्वयं भगवान विष्णु ने कहा,
So Bhagavan Vishnu said,
ये अभी जल्दी जाओ अम्बरीश दुर्वासा,
sorry, quickly go,
अम्बरीश
Durvasa.
के पास महाराज
Go
क्षमा
to
भिक्षा
Ambarish
करो,
Maharaj and ask for forgiveness.
हैं? तब तक सुदर्शन चक्र उसके पीछे पीछे जा रहे हैं,
Then the Sudarshana chakra was
पीछे पीछे चल रहे हैं, सुदर्शन
was
बोले,
still
सुदर्शन
going,
चक्र
following
भागने वाला नहीं है,
Durvasa. The
हैं?
Sudarshana was still
हम
following
मतलब उस समय
Durvasa.
देखो ऐसे करते हैं, इस स्थान से लेकर के ब्रह्मलोक से शिवलोक, शिवलोक से विष्णुलोक, विष्णु से
So
करी
he,
करी
since the beginning, from
पांच
the
चल
earth to
गया, तब
Brahma
तक
Loka,
अम्बरीश
Shiva Loka,
महाराज
to Vishnu
खड़े
Loka,
हुए हैं, अम्बरीश महाराज के
the
हृदय में
Sudarshana
एक
was following Durvasa
भावना
and
होती है,
Ambarish was just standing
जो जितने
waiting.
बड़े होते हैं ना
He was
वो उतना
thinking,
ही दीनहीन
he
होते
was, because actually the higher the
हैं,
person
हमारे
is,
हमारे
the
घर में
more
एक
humble the
समाज
person
बनाए
is.
थे,
So
मैं इतना
Ambarish was
सम्मान करके
thinking, a
और जब
saint
तक
came to my
अम्बरीश महाराज जब
house
तक वो
and I didn't honor him.
दुर्वासा ऋषि नहीं
I'm
पहुंचे,
wrong.
तब
I
तक
did
वो
wrong.
धूम पर लग रहे,
So when
और
before Durvasa coming
दूर
back,
से दुर्वासा ऋषि को देख करके
like
अम्बरीश
Ambarish
महाराज
was still waiting,
क्या
you know,
करने
until
लगे,
he came back.
उसको भी सादर
Then when
अभिनंदन
Durvasa
करने लगे,
came,
हैं?
Ambarish he
और
welcomed
उसको
him
देख
and gave
करके फिर
greetings and pranam like
इसलिए
this.
दुर्वासा ऋषि
And then
कहा गया,
Durvasa
हैं?
told,
ये अहम ही दृष्टवा, आज मैं आश्चर्य वस्तु देखा,
today I'm
जो
seeing some
अनंत
amazing
दाता
thing that
नाम, अनंत कौन है, भगवान, भगवान
Ananta
के
is the
नाम
name
क्या
of
है,
God.
अनंत देव,
Ananta Dev, Ananta,
जो
God
अनंत
is
भगवान के जो
Ananta, no,
दास जो
unlimited.
सेवक जो
So
है,
those who are servants of this
वो
Ananta
कैसे
Bhagavan,
वो
how
दीन
they are
होते हैं,
so humble.
अमृत दुर्वासा से संग कह रहे हैं,
So Durvasa
मैं
Rishi
अपराधी
himself
हूँ,
said, I'm an offender.
किंतु देखो
I am an offender.
और अम्बरीश महाराज के अपने को अपराधी मान
But
करके
Ambarish
और
Maharaj is
मेरे
thinking
लिए
himself is the offender and
खड़े हुए,
he was waiting for me standing up.
इसके पश्चात
Then
दुर्वासा ऋषि
after
आकर
that,
के
Durvasa Rishi came
अम्बरीश महाराज के निकट क्षमा प्रार्थना
and
मांगे,
he asked for forgiveness from Ambarish.
और तब विष्णु चक्र
Then at this moment, the
चले
Vishnu
गए,
chakra
इसके
came back,
पश्चात
disappeared.
अम्बरीश महाराज
Then
दुर्वासा ऋषि को
Ambarish Maharaj,
सम्मान
he
आदि
gave
करके
the proper
उनको
respects to
भोजन आदि
Durvasa
कराया,
Rishi and also
इस
fed
कथा
him
को श्रवण
prashadam.
कराया, इस कथा को इसी तात्पर्य
So the
है,
meaning of this
अम्बरीश
katha,
दुर्वासा के कथा
the Ambarish
इतने
Durvasa
मधुर
katha
है,
is so sweet
है,
katha.
बस इसके बार-बार
We
स्मरण
should
करना
listen and
चाहिए,
remember again and
जो कोई
again.
अम्बरीश दुर्वासा के कथा श्रवण करे,
Those who listen to this
उनके
katha,
समस्त पाप नष्ट हो
all
जाते
their
हैं,
sins are destroyed.
अहंकार को त्याग देना पड़ता है,
And you have to give
यही
up your ahankar, your
अम्बरीश
ego,
दुर्वासा
your
की कथा
pride.
शास्त्र में वर्णन
So
करते
the
हैं,
Shastra describes this
आज
katha.
आगे की कथा महाराज
Today
बताएंगे,
also Maharaj will
आज भी
speak more Hari katha.
थोड़ा भी सब लोग कृष्ण के जन्म की
Today
लीला
also
कथा
you want to listen
और
about the birth
बधाइयां भी
of
होगी,
Krishna and you want to give
इसलिए मैं यहीं
celebration,
पर अपने वचन को मैं
congratulations. So I'll
विराम
stop
देता
my
हूँ,
speech
अभी
here.
महाराज जी
Maharaj will speak
जो कृष्ण के आविर्भाव
about
की कथा
Krishna.
वर्णन करेंगे, और महाराज जी भाई मैं भी निवेदन करूंगा,
I prayed to Maharaj, I asked Maharaj a request
आज आनंद
I request
लेने के समय भी दिया जाए,
that Maharaj give some time for the devotees to feel bliss, like to dance and sing, you know, because sometimes we speak
तो होता ही रहते हैं,
we speaking
भा और ग,
bha ga. Bha means
गमन
prakash,
करता है, वो चलता रहता है,
manifest.
नहीं
Ga
होता है,
means walking,
भगवत
wandering,
कथा
like
थोड़ी होता है, हैं?
without
कथा
stop.
बोलने दो तो हम 4 घंटा 5
Because
घंटा
we
10
can
घंटा
speak
भी
4 or 5 hours
बोल
non-stop the
सकते
katha, isn't
हैं।
it?
आज
Because
भी
it's so
विशेष
nice to
एक दिन
speak.
है,
But today is a
आज
special
और
day,
काल की भी एक
and
विशेष
also
दिन
tomorrow
होगी,
also a
काल
special
हम
day.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन की
Tomorrow
भी
we will
उत्सव
observe the
मनाएंगे।
festival of Giriraj Govardhan.
आप लोग
So tomorrow,
थोड़ी सी मैं बता दूं,
I just tell you one
अभी
thing.
हाथ में काल कोई बात है ना,
Don't come tomorrow with empty
काल
hands.
थोड़ी थोड़ी फल
Bring
हो,
some
जो भी
fruit
हो,
or something
गिरिराज
tomorrow
गोवर्धन के
for
लिए
Giriraj.
सब कुछ बना करके
Everybody
ले जाना। हम तो जैसा
do
समझ
something
में
and bring.
बनाएंगे।
We will do here also. Sit down.
काल गिरिराज गोवर्धन धारण की
Tomorrow
लीला
we
हम
will present, will tell about the Leela of Krishna lifting Giriraj. So I tell you, whatever you can, whatever you want, you can cook something and bring. You can see in the YouTube, when I'm in the Western countries, we do 108, at least 56 per to Giriraj. All the devotees, the Western devotees who are with me, you can ask them. They bring something small, at least, and each devotee can bring something, you know. I'm not telling you to bring 500 kilos, something. No, just little bit preparation to offer to Giriraj. Jai. I'm sorry for the technical problems. That we never commit offense to the lotus feet of Ambarish Maharaj. I pray to Durvasa also. Actually, so I pray that I not commit any offense to Durvasa Rishi, because actually it was a lila that Durvasa made. Everything was a lila. Just to explain the glories in this world, the glories of the Ekadashi, of the Paran, and also the glories of Ambarish Maharaj. If Durvasa Rishi was not there, like people would follow Ekadasi just like some people do nowadays, without checking the Paran time and everything. So the story of Durvasa and Ambarish is very special. So we have to follow Ekadasi, and also we have to follow the Paran, like breaking the vow in the time next day. So I'm sorry about the issue, technical problems of my internet, some problem. That's why the connection broke in the middle of translation. After the Karari Katha is finished, I will again do another live in English just to translate the maybe 5 or 7 minutes, which were lost due to the technical problems. I'm sorry to be broken like this, but those who want to listen what Gurudev spoke in this 5 or 10 or 7 minutes lost, soon I'll make another live and you can listen what was missing. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. So Gurudev is saying now in the end, I only spoke 40 minutes today. He said I spoke less. Anyway. So due to some technical issues, I'm so sorry. The Gurudeva's Katha, in the middle, we couldn't translate, just maybe for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So those who want to know what he spoke or could not understand or something like that, so I will translate this part now. I know this is not good, like having maybe 3 lives with the same Katha translation of the same class. I'm so sorry. But I don't know how to solve this now unless doing another live and just publishing this part. So those who want to listen here, there you go. So Gurudev was speaking about Ambarish Maharaj, how he was the emperor of all the earth with its 7 oceans and 7 islands. And he's telling about the Ekadashi. We have to follow the Shuddha Ekadasi, not Dashami Vida Ekadasi. Ekadasi mixed with Dashami we should not follow. But if the Ekadasi is coming in the Dwadasi, Titi, then yes, we have to follow that Ekadasi. So the people from the Smarta Brahmanas, they don't have this conception. They just see, oh, okay. They just count the days like 1, 2, 3, like this, from the full moon, counting. After full moon or new moon, 11 days, Ekadasi. But they're not counting according to the nakshatra, according to the constellations, to the titis, if it's Bida Ekadashi or not. Bida Ekadashi, Gurudev was saying, is that Ekadasi which is mixed in the Dashami Titi. So scripture is saying that if you follow Vida Ekadashi, first you not get the fruit of the Ekadasi because you follow this Vida Ekadashi, means the Ekadasi together with the Dashami Titi, which is not proper, and also you will actually get so many difficulties in your life, so many problems in your life. Bhakti Vilas, actually, there's a shloka in this book saying this, that once Sita Devi, she asked to Valmiki Rishi, why am so unhappy in my life? She said, why? Then Valmiki Rishi, he told her, hey Sita Devi, because by mistake you
दसवें विद्या एकादशी।
You follow Dashami
देखो
Vida
मैं नहीं कहूं,
Ekadasi.
हरि भक्ति विलास खोल
I'm
करके
not saying
देखिए,
you can open Hari Bhakti Vilas and you can
प्रमाण
see
है।
yourself. The evidence is
हैं?
there.
इसलिए कभी भूल से
So
जब
not
देवी
even
सीता
by
देवी तो
mistake.
साक्षात लक्ष्मी
At
देवी है,
least, of
राधा रानी भी साक्षात
course, Sita Devi is directly
प्रकाश विग्रह है।
manifestation of
तथापि
Shrimati
लोग
Radhika
शिक्षा
and
में दिखा
everything.
रहे हैं
But just for
कि
Loka
कभी भूल
Shiksha to
से
teach the people of this world,
दसवीं
she's doing this
विद्या
lila. That not even by
एकादशी
mistake, we should follow the Dashama
करना नहीं
Vida Ekadasi, means Ekadasi mixed
है।
with the Dashami Titi.
इसलिए अम्बरीश महाराज ने क्या व्रत लिया?
So,
द्वादशी प्रधान
Ambarish Maharaj,
एकादशी
he
व्रत
did
करना
Dwadashi
है।
Pradhan
और कैसे
Ekadasi,
व्रत
means
करते
this
थे? निर्जला, पानी तक भी पीते नहीं थे।
this Dwadashi with Ekadasi, and he actually
वास्तव में एकादशी
was
व्रत
not even
पालन
drinking
करने की
water.
यही
Actually,
विशेष
because if you
विधान
really want
शास्त्र
to
में
drink
कहा गया
water, oh,
है।
Drew Ekadasi, if you really want
किंतु
to do
कलिकाल है,
Ekadasi, the
हैं?
Shastra explains that you should do Nirjala without even drinking water. But now it's Kali
कलिकाल
Yuga.
हम सब
In
एक
Kali
ही
Yuga,
सब
all of us,
कंसेशन
we are
रेट में
just
सब आ
following the
जाते हैं।
concession,
मैंने
the
गुरुदेव
concession.
कहते हैं भाई
My
जान
Gurudev
लो,
used to say
कंसेशन रेट होता है,
that
जब कंसेशन चलते हैं
if there is some concession, then
सब लाइन में खड़े हो जाते हैं।
everybody is in that line also to get the concession.
पैसा रहे अथवा पैसा नहीं रहे, बोले क्यों पैसा खर्च करे?
May-
तात्पर्य क्या है?
Maybe you have money, maybe not. But if there's some concession, like for example, to go free, you'll want to in this line to go by for free because wow, why will I spend money if you can go for free or in this concession rule or something,
बोले देखो कलियुग में कहा गया,
So-
यदि कोई रोगी हो, दुर्बल शरीर हो,
In Kali Yuga, if somebody is weak or is
और ऐसे लोगों के
sick,
भागवत
then
शास्त्र में क्या दिया गया?
for these
concession
people,
दे दिया।
the
क्या
Shastra gave some
concession?
concession. Which concession?
बोले एकादशी के दिन आप निर्जला नहीं कर सकते हो,
Okay, if you
तो
cannot
आप
do
एक काम
Ekadasi,
करो,
Nirjala,
फलाहार कर लेना।
you
क्या
can
कर
eat
लेना?
some fruits.
फलाहार करना, फल आहार कर लो, हैं? थोड़ी सी पानी पी लेना एक बार, बार बार नहीं,
Drink just a little bit water one time, not many times.
बस आप फल ले लेना, बस फलाहार। कि यही विशेष विधान शास्त्र में कहा गया है। किंतु कलिकाल है, कलिकाल हम सब एक ही सब कंसेशन रेट में सब आ जाते हैं। मैंने गुरुदेव कहते हैं भाई जहाँ पर
So all we want to follow the concession. If there is some concession rates, something for free. No, I was just saying, no, for. So you think, why will I spend money? I'll just go in the concession rates. So in Kali Yuga, if somebody is sick or very weak, then the person has the concession to not follow Nirjala. Shastra gave concession to them. Which concession? Okay, if you cannot do Nirjala on Ekadasi, then you can eat falahar, like eat fruits. Eat fruits, falahar. Like drink a little bit water just one time, not many times. And eat some fruits, falahar. But in Kali Yuga, all of us, except for 2 or 4 people, you can see for everyone. Those who do Nirjala, I'm not talking about you. In the beginning, I used to do Nirjala when I was young, but now in the old age, with the old age, my belly is paining, is giving pain, my belly is aching. Then Gurudev even told me, eat some fruits in the Ekadashi. So in Kali Yuga, all of us, we repeating same, just because I came back. So except for 2 or 4 people, no one is doing Nirjala. When I was young, I used to do Nirjala, but now in the old age, I felt so much belly pain, belly ache, like stomach ache. Then Gurudev told me to eat some fruit. So this is the instruction of Gurudev. So yeah, this is our body in Kali Yuga. What to do? Those who have good body or good body, they can do Nirjala Ekadasi. They may do. But Nirjala doesn't mean like you. For example, you one time Maharaj told, like for example, Nirjala means you will like dive in the water, like first bathing in the river, and then when you are under the water, nobody's seeing, then you drink the water there, because under the water nobody will see you. Then when you come up out from the water, you're saying you're doing Nirjala, but actually you're drinking water from underneath the river. Maharaj the other day told this story. So I'll continue this story. How Ambarish Maharaj used to follow Ekadashi, the Ekadasi with the prominence of the Dwadasi, and how he used to follow Nirjala without drinking even water. And Swayam Bhagavan Govinda, he also used to do the bhajan of Radha Govinda. He used to serve the puja, archan, everything.
और वो महाराज अम्बरीश
And
महाराज
Maharaj Ambarish,
कोई
he
साधारण नहीं था।
was not ordinary.
देखो उन्हें अपने सारे
You see, actually, he
अंग के जो है भगवत सेवा
used
में
all
लगाए।
his limbs into in the
भगवान हमने
service of
कितने अंग
God.
कितने अंग दिया?
God gave us
11
how
अंग
many
दिया
limbs?
बता
11
दो।
limbs.
11 जो है हमारे इंद्रियां
11
जो है,
senses we
इस
have.
11 इंद्रियों
With
के
these
जो है
11 senses,
हम
we
भगवान
must
के सेवा में लगे।
serve to Bhagavan.
इसलिए एकादशी 11 हो गया
So,
और
okay,
एकादश
11
की हम भगवान की
senses,
सेवा में लगे।
and Ekadashi is also the
देखो
11th day,
अम्बरीश
like this,
महाराज
11th tithi. So we
क्या
must
करते
use all our limbs and body
सावई
in this
मन
service.
कृष्ण पदारविंदयो बचांसे वैकुंठ गुणानुवर्णने करो हरिर मंदिर मार्जनादिषु श्रुतिं चकार अच्युत सत्कथोदय मुकुंद लिंगालय दर्शने दृशो तद्भित्त गात्र स्पर्शे अंग संगमम् घानंच तत्पादज सरोज सौरवे श्रीमत्तुलसं रसनं तदर्पिते पादु हरेर क्षेत्र पदानुसर्पणे शिरो हिषिकेश पदाभिवन्दने कामंच दस्से न तु काम कामया यथोत्तम श्लोक जनाश्रयरति। देखो हमारे सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाठ करने लगे।
So our Shukadev
हे
Goswami
महाराज
Pari is saying,
परीक्षित,
Hey Maharaj Parikshit,
अम्बरीश महाराज
Ambarish Maharaj,
देखो
look,
अपने सावई मन कृष्ण
he
पदार
used
बिंदु
his
मन
mind,
को जय सदा सर्वदा
always his
भगवान
mind,
की चरण कमल की स्मरण करने
remembering the lotus feet of
लगे।
God.
देखो हम संसार में रहते हैं,
We are in this
मन को
material
कहाँ
world.
लगाना चाहिए?
We should apply our
इसलिए
minds
कहा जाता है
always
एकमात्र भगवान की चरण
only
कमल की
in the
स्मरण
feet
करना।
of God. We should always
शास्त्र
remember
में
his
कहा
feet.
गया भगवान के
Shastra
चरण
say
कमल में जो
that there are some symbols
जो चिन्ह जो है
in the feet of
कितने चिन्ह
Krishna.
हैं?
How many symbols?
19 प्रकार की चिन्ह
19 symbols
हैं।
in the feet of
वो चरण
Krishna.
चिन्ह के
And
दर्शन करते
if
ही
you
जिनके
have the
समस्त
darshan
प्रकार
of these
पाप
symbols,
अपने
all
आप
the
विनष्ट
sins,
हो
all the
जाते हैं।
sufferings of the
विशेष
jivas are
करके
destroyed.
भगवान के चरण कमल
Especially
में
in the
एक
lotus feet of
चक्र
God,
चिन्ह
there
भी
is a
हो गया।
chakra, symbol of a
वो
chakra disc.
चक्र के चिन्ह जिस
If
स्मरण
you
करो
see, if you remember
दर्शन
this
करो
symbol of
आपके
the
संसार
chakra,
चक्र
or
क्या हो
if you
जाएगा?
see this symbol,
विनाश
all
हो
your
जाएगा।
samsara chakra,
उन्हें
your
संसार में आना नहीं पड़ेगा।
like means you'll not have
हैं?
to come back in this
और
material
यदि भी
world.
आए
Or even if you do come
किंतु
back in this material
तथापि
world,
आप अपने पुत्र कन्या के साथ रहने पर भी
even if you stay with your family
आप
and sons and daughters, you'll not be
सावई मन
attached
कृष्ण
to them.
पदार बिंदु। इस प्रकार अम्बरीश महाराज
So, in
सारे
this way, Ambarish Maharaj, he
इंद्रियों के जो है
used all his
भगवान की
senses
सेवा में
in the
लगाया।
service of
मन को
Bhagavan. His
भगवान
mind
की कथा की आदि स्मरण
in remembering God,
अपने
and
जिहा को जो है
his
वैकुंठ
tongue
कथा अनुवर्णने
in describing
अपने
Hari
जिहा को
Katha
भगवान
always.
की कथा वर्णन करते बोलो गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति गोविंद दामो दरमाधवेति गोविंद गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति हे कृष्ण हे जादव हे सखेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद इसी प्रकार अम्बरीश
So
महाराज
like this, Ambarish
अपने
Maharaj,
मानो जिहा को जो है भगवत कथा में करो हरि
he used
मंदिर
his tongue
मार्जना
in Bhagavad Katha.
अपने दो भुजाओं का हाथ को
His
द्वारा
hands,
स्वयं
his
जो है झाड़ू
arms,
लगाते थे
he used to sweep himself, like he himself used
मंदिर
to
को
sweep
क्या करते स्वयं
the
संलेपन
temple
करते थे कपड़ा लेकर के
with a cloth
हैं,
and also
मंदिर को
cleaning
भी
with a cloth, wet cloth,
साफ आदि करते
like
थे,
this.
बस करते थे इसलिए करो हरि मंदिर मार्जना आदिशु श्रुतिं चकर अच्युत सत्कथो देव तो कानों को क्या किया
With
भगवान
his
की
ears,
अमृतमय कथा
he
को
would
जो है
always listen to the Bhagavad Katha,
लगा दिया श्रवण करते थे
pastimes of God,
हैं, मुकुंद लिंगालय दर्शन
Godhead.
त्रिशौ ये आंख भगवान किसने दिया
with his eyes.
ऐसे
You
सुंदर
know why
विग्रह
God
आज
gave
का
us
सुंदर
eyes?
विग्रह देख रहे कि नहीं
To
देख
see
रहे?
God. You
बोलो
see how beautiful is the
वृंदावन
day
बिहारी
today.
लाल की। हैं? इसलिए तो हमारे रसखान कहते हैं
That's why
आगी
Raskan used to
लगे
say,
उसी आंखों में जिस दिन
should burn in the
गोविंद
fire.
दर्शन ना पावे
That day, these eyes, like
जिस दिन हम गोविंद के
this
दर्शन
day,
नहीं
you
हो
don't see Govinda.
तो वो आंख हमारे क्या
These
आग के
eyes,
द्वारा मानो झुलस जाए
actually, our eyes should
आगी
be
लगे
burned.
उसी धन में जो धन
Also,
भगवान
this
की
wealth
सेवा में
which is not
लगे,
used in
नहीं
the
लगे।
service of God should be
हैं?
burned as
है
well.
कि नहीं उस कीर्तन कितने
kirtan
सुंदर कीर्तन
explains
हमारे ब्रजवासी
so
रसखान की
beautiful.
कीर्तन
Our
है, हम नहीं
Brajavasi
कर रहे हैं।
Raskan says,
आगे लगे उसी बांसुरी में, अरे वृंदावन के जितने बांस है
all the
उस
bamboos of
बांस के
Vrindavan,
छड़ी में
they
आग
also
लग
all
जाए।
these
क्यों? साधु संतों को
bamboo
गान
jungle
पर कभी भोर
should
भये
be
बंसी
burned
बजा
because
रहे,
Krishna is
कभी भोर
playing the flute
प्रातः काल में बंसी
early in the
बजाते तो,
morning, like any
कभी दोपहर
time,
को, कभी रात को,
lunchtime,
आंख
and you
को
know the
ज्ञान नहीं
flute
होता
comes from bamboo,
है।
from the bamboo
इसी
tree.
पे रसखान भी कितने
So
कहते हैं,
Raskan
इसलिए
says,
कहते हैं ब्रज की
and
जो
here
कीर्तन है,
we already was
शायद आप लोग
translating,
जानते
so I'll
हैं,
finish here.
इसलिए
Just this part
आगे
was missing.
लगे उसी बांसन में,
Jai Srila Gurudev ki jai.
बोले आग लग जाए ब्रज के सारे बांस में। अरे इसलिए इसलिए तो कहा जाता है